Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Python on a Windows 10. So if you decided to learn Python, this is one of the first steps that you have to do. And actually, Python installation is pretty simple, but if you are a complete beginner, maybe you want that somebody show you the exact steps. Okay, to install Python, you can open your web browser and go to the Google and search Python. Then you can go to the first website, which is the python.org. And here you can move your mouse over downloads. And if you want to download the latest version of Python, you can just click on this button. And the latest version by today is 3.9.1. But if you want to download any older version of Python, you can click on it, Windows, and here you will find all Python versions until today. I'm gonna download the Python 3.7.9, but the installation process are mostly same, so don't worry about that. Just make sure you download the executable installer file for Windows 64-bit. You can also download for a Windows 32-bit if you want. I'm gonna download this and I will just bring it to this screen so you see it. Then you can double click on that. Then you're gonna see this window. You have two options. The first one is a default installation, so if you click on that, it will install Python directly without any further steps. But we will use a customized installation. Before we do that, make sure you check this option, and by checking this option, you will be able to access the Python exe by typing Python keyword in a command prompt. So you won't need to specify the full path of the Python program. Anyway, just make sure you check this. Then you can click on a customized installation, and here we don't need to change anything, so just click on a next. Here, if you want, you can change the installation directory, but I will just leave it as it is. Then yes, and it will install Python. Okay, now the installation is completed, so you can close this window. And if you click on a start button on a Windows, you will see that we have 4 new files. This file and this file is for more information and documentation about Python and Python modules. Ideally is the default IDE of the Python, so you can write and run your code in this IDE. Python 3.7, this is the python.exe file, so it will be the interpreter of your Python codes. Okay guys, that was for this video. If it was helpful, make sure you like this video, and if you had any question, you can leave it down below. So thank you for watching and see you next time.